If you're transitioning and need an effective way to get rid of facial and body hair, then keep watching.
At KetchBeauty, we offer an at-home IPL hair removal device that can help you achieve long-lasting and effective hair removal results in the privacy of your own home. With our device, you can save money and time compared to professional treatments and enjoy the convenience of hair removal on your own schedule. Our device is also gentle on the skin and safe for use on all skin tones. Don't let unwanted hair hold you back from your authentic self. With the right hair removal method, you can achieve smooth, hairless skin and feel confident in your own skin. At KetchBeauty, we're here to help you do just that. Visit KetchBeauty.com to learn more about our at-home IPL hair removal device and all our other hair removal products. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on hair removal and transitioning. Good luck!